Right here, Ms. Beltran. Right here, dude. Go ahead and step close and speak loud, okay?
Sir, could you state your name, please?
Okay. Name.
This is Michael Beltran.
Okay. And what's your middle name?
Daniel.
All right, Mr. Beltran, you've been in custody for about 10 days. It was regarding failure to comply with every condition of the DUI that you were charged with. You didn't make any payments, you didn't do any counseling or any of the things that were required of you that you signed, you said you would do. If you're let out, what's to guarantee the court that you'll comply with the remaining portions?
Say that again, sir.
So you have you didn't comply with the counseling for your DUI. Did you hear me?
Kind of.
Said you didn't comply with the counseling for your DUI.
Are you hard of hearing, sir?
Yes, I am.
Okay. The second thing is you also didn't make any payments on the DUI since you're charged with it.
No, we haven't.
Okay. So I'm trying to make a determination whether you should be released or not, but I need you to start complying with the terms.
Yes, sir.
How are you going to do that?
My sister is helping me out with the.
Okay. So what?
She's going to pay the fines.
Okay, so I'm going to give you credit for your time served. That's going to relieve you from the counseling obligation, so you no longer have to do the DUI counseling.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, no longer have to do the DUI.
Correct. It's not mandated. You certainly can if you want to, but you don't have to. Okay?
Okay.
Then what's left is a balance of $812 on the fine.
Okay.
What I need you to do is make monthly, timely minimum payments of $25 or more every month.
Okay, we'll do better than that.
That's up to you. That's all that requires, but you can certainly pay more to get rid of it quicker. The next payment is due on January 30th. I've given you 30 days from today's date.
Okay.
So just make sure you keep those monthly payments up. If you promise to do that, I'll release you on your own. Do you promise to do that?
You have my word.
Okay, we'll release you on your own recognizance then.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Where'd you go, sir?
Oh, sir,
Yes.
one more thing.
Yes.
I plan on going, it's called the Megion Training Facility.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a detox for a month,
Okay.
if that'll help out any. I plan on doing that starting sometime in January.
Okay. Yeah. So there's no longer a requirement since you've been in custody for 10 days. That substitutes the counseling order. But
We're gonna do it anyhow.
I certainly encourage you to do it to help you. And if you want to turn in the certificate of completion to the court, I'll take a look at it. Maybe give you some credit for that.
Okay.
Okay.
I will do.
All right.
I will do.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Oh, sir, could you state your name, please?
Sylvester Tracy.
All right. And your middle name, sir?
What's that?
Your middle name, please?
Dean.
Okay. So you're here for the misdemeanor violations is all that we're talking about, not any of the felony allegations. I understand that you're still in custody on the felony side too, but we're only talking about the misdemeanors.
Got it.
What I'd like to do is have an arraignment with you, which means advise you of the charges, advise you of your rights, and take a plea from you on record. To be able to do that by video, I need your consent to waive your personal appearance. Do I have that?
Yes.
All right, sure. So there's one criminal damage charge. That's a class 1 misdemeanor. There's one allegation of a liquor in the vehicle unauthorized, so having open container of spirituous liquor in the vehicle.
Okay.
That's a class 2 misdemeanor. Failure to remain at an accident scene involving damage, that's a class 2 misdemeanor. And then failure to show a driver's license or identification upon request is a class 2 misdemeanor. So first off, the class 1 misdemeanor, the criminal damage charge that has a maximum fine of $2,500, 6 months of jail and or 3 years of probation. There is no jail time being sought right now for any of these misdemeanor violations. The class 2 misdemeanors, there's 3 of those, have a $750 fine each plus surcharges, 4 months of jail and or 2 years of probation. Again, no jail time is being requested on any of those misdemeanor charges. Your options are to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you plead guilty or no contest, we will schedule you later for a sentencing hearing. The difference between a guilty and a no contest plea is the following. If you plead guilty, you're admitting to the crimes and the facts of the case. If you plead no contest, you're acknowledging the conviction but not admitting or denying the facts of the case. Both of those show on a criminal history as a conviction. Or if you plead not guilty, I'll schedule you for a pre-trial conference. That's where you'll meet with a prosecutor. The prosecutor may have a police report or any other evidence they plan on using against you prepared. One of 3 things will happen at the conclusion of that meeting. Number 1, the case could go to a trial. Number 2, the case could enter a plea agreement. Or number 3, the case could be dismissed. Do you understand those options?
I do.
Okay. You also have the right to hire an attorney. Since there's no jail time being asked on any of these misdemeanors, as far as sentencing goes, if you're found guilty after trial, or if you plead guilty or no contest, you're not going to be sentenced to any jail. That takes your ability to have a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost away, unless you can provide me other reasons besides I can't afford an attorney. So your options are to, number 1, waive the presence of an attorney. Number 2, hire an attorney at your own expense. Or number 3, provide me a reason why you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Do you understand that?
I do.
Regarding that decision, do you wish to waive the presence of an attorney, hire an attorney, or provide the court a reason?
Provide the court a reason.
All right, go ahead, sir.
So right now I have one job. I'm obviously not working because I'm locked up, but I am able to make some monthly payments on hiring an attorney, but I'm not making too much as a provider of a family of 4.
Understood. So let me tell you the qualifications for a court-appointed attorney. It's 2-prong. Number 1 is you can't afford one, okay? That's 1 prong. So let's say I have you fill out a financial questionnaire and you financially qualify. On a misdemeanor, you still need a second reason. One of those, like I explained to you, is jail time. But since there's not any jail time being asked of it, that doesn't qualify. A mental disability or one of those kind of circumstances or reasons. Do you have that other reason?
I do not know.
Okay, so then you're left to 2 choices. Number 1, hire an attorney at your own expense, or waive the presence of an attorney.
And I have to make the decision right now.
I do need a decision now, but it doesn't mean you can't change your mind. So let's say, for example, you decide you want an attorney and later you find out they're too expensive. You can say, never mind, I'm going to change it. Or the other way around. Let's say you don't want an attorney right now, enter a plea, see what happens later at the next proceeding, and then you change your mind at any time to get an attorney.
Okay. I'll choose to find an attorney if I can.
So you want to hire an attorney at your own expense?
I want to hire an attorney. Yes.
Okay, so what I'll do for you, sir, is I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you on this misdemeanor charges. That gives you the ability to get your attorney hired and start to work for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, I've scheduled you for a pre-trial conference on January 27th at 10 o'clock a.m. So you'll be ordered to be in court on that date and time. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance on these misdemeanors. Now, I understand you're still in custody on the felonies. Yes. I don't know if you still will be on the 27th of January. If you are, then we just got to make sure that you're able to appear for that. If you're not, then you need to appear for that, or warrants will go out for your arrest.
Okay. And this is in Payson, right?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, and if you're still in custody, then we'll arrange the transport for you.
Okay.
Your release conditions on these misdemeanor violations are obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately of any change of address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not contact the alleged victims in any manner, and do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription. Do you understand those release conditions?
I do.
Can you
And
go ahead.
is, so I do have a question about my address.
Okay,
I know my address says that I'm listed in Colorado, but that morning when I talked to you, I think you were the judge that morning.
yes,
You know, I was very distraught, you know,
okay.
hungover. So is there any way I can change that address?
There is. What I'll do is I'm going to send you an address update form, so you can provide the new address, a new phone number if there is, a new email if there is, and provide all of that. So I'll send that with you to your paperwork to complete, and then we'll have the jail staff send that back to me. Okay?
Okay. I appreciate
Is
it.
your new address in Arizona?
Yes, it's in Phoenix.
Okay.
Well,
Yes.
it's not new, but I've been there. I
Okay.
just, like I said, I was distraught.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So just update that form, and then we'll make sure we get that back.
Okay.
Any other questions in that?
No,
Okay. That's all I've got for you. We'll get it sent over.
thank you.
You bet. Thank you. We'll get it sent on the way.
No problem. Thank you, Judge.
You bet. Bye.